welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So I've been busy working on my wall and actually moving everything around. So I hope you guys like it. This is going to be a wall for a long time. Took a while for me to put everything up. So I decided to go with more of just having my bags up instead of decorating. There isn't a lot of decorations, just maybe that corner there with the Barbie and then some teddy bears and stuff. But other than that, I just have it all lined up pretty because my bags were getting damaged and squashed in storage. So this is the new wall. I will zoom in for you guys to see each individual. So I hope you enjoy. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video. So we're gonna start here at the end. Over here I have some Patricia Nash and some Coach and a couple of my clear ones. I just put those because apparently I didn't have enough bags. Then up is just the only one that's decorated because I have a lot of little ones in here with the Barbie and some Kiplings and of course my LV, and then on top more of the smaller ones, and then more and more. And then down here, of course, I'll take some pictures too so you guys could look at it. It's the bottom. Okay, here we go, slowly. I think it turned out really nice. I put some animal print, a little bit of gold, and some brown, just to take away the black of the shells. Oh, that light there. The larger ones on top so they don't get crushed. So yeah, I can't have them in storage anymore because you know, some of them were getting squashed. So this is the new wall, guys. I hope you like it. There's my mannequin. Yeah, I had to move the whole room around. Okay. Thanks for watching. Again, if you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. Please subscribe and like. And I will see you guys in this month's next videos. We have a good lineup for you guys. Bag of the month, of course. Some more of the ones on the Mondays that I'm scheduling for you guys to watch. Throwback Mondays. Some fun unboxings. I have a full month scheduled. So I hope you enjoy the new wall and hit that subscribe. And let's get May started with some animals. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all the next video.